So with the clean tone, on the cabinet I have the 16th sound, that's bass Hagula 25 or something like that. The 16th sound. Okay, so let me just okay, yeah, 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, the 16th. So on the amp I have the yeah, same as 16th sound, bass 16 bass, yeah, you can see. The noise gate I have yes, so the EQ, let's see, oh, 0 0, okay, and reverb, yeah, you can see yourself. Okay, so that's it with the clean. For the overdrive I have on the amp I have okay, that's the 30, I have the 30 CL Fen 65, and on the distortion, yes, I think distortion, yes, so the distortion I have you can see that on the distortion, and noise gates I have, okay, and EQ, so you can see, yeah, and reverb I have let me show you the reverb that you can see right there. Okay, so that's it with the overdrive. And the wah, okay, I have, okay, sense wah, you can see, and noise gate, amp, yeah, 16 bass, and cabinet, that's 16, okay, and the EQ, is that the EQ? No, EQ, oh, 0 0 0, okay, and reverb, you can see yourself. So that's it with the wah and chorus. Let me start with the gate. You can see that's the gate right there. Amp, yeah, same as it, and the cab, yeah, that's it. EQ, I think that's 0 0, yeah, 0 0. Reverb, you can see yourself. Okay, so that's it with the chorus. So it's also, you can go to your banks. So with your bank you can easily select your sound. So clean tone, number 1, you can see clean, number 1, number 3, wah, number 2, overdrive, and number 4, chorus. So you can move to the next So you can see number 5, 6, 7. So you can save as many sounds that you want. So you can move to 9, 10, 11, 12. So just the way you want it. Number 10. Then yeah, so you can see how easy it is. Then you can return, you can go back, you can return home. Yeah, that's it. So you can see how easy the M-vave is.